Ministry of Youth and Recreation, as said, they've been so supportive and so collaborative. And no, and then because say Mida Suka almost into this green project and sustainability of the environment. So I say they are so much on board. And no, then Okadeko so about on board. And other people in the pipeline. Preparation is ongoing steadily and well. Say everyone is looking up for this tournament. I mean, this championship is going to be very, 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 very super one. It's going to, it's the 10th edition. It's 10 days decade. It's also who say Yama Air Course. And I'll be there by super on that day.
And Pacho, Minister competition, we were playing it in honor of the president. What has been the response of the ministry ahead of this big event? Muni omo collaboration net is saying.
Oh, maybe Kankai said the collaboration has been so good. They've been so supportive. In fact, the minister himself, Honorable Kofi Iliadam, so much into this program. Say, personally, we're far to know so yet some follow-ups and I mean almost every day on online or in person, trying to make sure say BBR Bekoso name collaboration with the Ministry of Sports and Recreation there is a top notch, and I have to give them the thumbs up, and I don't my heart for them.
Pacho, say in Senra Marko House of Work at the match day jersey, Aqua Command Penny 4. Now activities being now more lining up before the 6th of July.
Okay, so before the 6th of July, there are a couple of presses. The main one will be on the 8th of July, that is 5th July at 4 p.m. at our media center, Accra Sports Stadium. And then you have both teams and some supporters to talk on it. Aside that, so they are outlining media tour. Very soon we'll hit the ground with the media tour for that one, for the program. And anyway, in Shishia so far for and before the program.
Mpacho na Edimsa Accra Sports Stadium, yeka say ye ball league ye impenifo so mo etutu nyoma so that they can be ready for the World Cup qualifiers. Mimu so GHALCA response ben amonya regarding the facility I be use nyame adoma 6th of July.
Oh, nyame adoma 6th of July, no. The park will be ready for us. The NSA is a good collaboration for this way program. You see, on set there, the pitch will be ready. Makes me a catcher say, even this week, there's been work ongoing, which I have personally seen because I'm there with them. And preparation, it's towards the World Cup, yes, but also for the President's Cup. And Nyama Air Course fine. Our facility, facility, no, be ready. If I make my capital, it's almost ready for the 6th of July.
Amazing. Now, yet it is a free gate. No crabby home. Yes, we'll be in Chase Cano Abeshe Bonibi.
Oh, it's here for President Ned our man, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and our ministry, no, almost a MBA gate free.
Wow.
It's a free gate. Now, so there's going to be complimentary cards for the VIP and the VVIP. And see, we'll make our complimentary card now. We want to make called VIP and now VVIP. Once it's in honor of the certain president. You see, we are not backing any security way. Now, the security and safeguarding is not. It's in a free gate for all other seats, all other stands aside the VIP and the VVIP, and not the complimentary ticket. Let's obey the security measures. Directives are on the Maya, Nabibia, and effect.
Okay, yeah, that's it. And from the GHALCA perspective, what kind of event are you looking forward to on that day?
Okay, a quick one. On that day, we're going to have 2 curtain raiser matches. First one, I want to outline the beauty of juvenile football, that is court football. In the first curtain raiser, I 2 court team who will play. And our second curtain raiser, a women's team, so on that day, GH 11 a.m. First curtain raiser, a 2 court team, and our second curtain raiser, a women football, and our third one that will be the main match for the day. That's again between Kotoko and Hart.
And gets open at what time?
We're opening the gate at 11 a.m. because of the curtain raiser matches.
Okay.
But the thing is, we are looking at to have ease access into the stadium. There will be some security measures there. Possibly, independence, no be unpacking. Then there will be buses to convey everyone to the stadium from there. Then again, also, Pesameda Metro Mass Transit Limited in Swansea. And they are also on board. On the main, Omu Evino, Ebia Ebefa Kotoko from their camp, Bakususu Befa Hat Ofo from their camp to the stadium because we are environmental ability. And also, just Yanni in Penifone MP, but not on that day, no more so, Omo Park or vehicles at Parliament House. Now, yes, that is, and take your move from Parliament House into the stadium. Then we're going to have buses at various vantage points to convey the supporters to the stadium. A be there from Tema to the stadium, from Medina Legon to the stadium, from Dansuman Enclave to the stadium, and from Kaswa areas to the stadium. So we're preparing for this massively. We are not leaving any stone unturned. We're looking out for good and massive turnouts. And what we can assure you is come with a heart open, ready to receive good football brewed on the pitch of Accra Sports Stadium.
Phyllis Marko Mensah, GHALCA Vice Chair. Nyamishao Saonia Kasa El Max TV. We wish you all the best and we'll be waiting for you here on your tour, plus all your activities lined up for the event. Nyamishao be brave. So that's the Ghana League Clubs Association's Vice Chairperson. And only common. That's the build up to the President's Cup Nanidu.
Yes, Nana.
Is it not too early for Kotoko and Azovok after season the berry almost under CNE?
So we
agro.
Yes. Who's a baby impending for idiom agro? And your honor, Yama changing baby. What I say? And yes, I can say, and your president and some of these things, into me commanders. What I say? It's good to say, yeah. The whole year, Nina, sitting presidents, 1 trophy in the year, then, yeah, body a man. What I say? It do that time now. Yeah, any stakeholder be involved in football be need to sacrifice, including young journalists.
Sure.
That is why I may assure say Kotokona has near sacrificing because and I wouldn't say per the GFA football calendar no. The one month mandate still rest for the football clubs no. You was our 1 month no. But because it's the president there, and you honor bet try maybe and what was the situation no? You need to do it in honor of the president. And President, the first trophy year Bamano since Obetina Mania so for the second term. Inti Menega campaigning for a year, the way I must start a bubble so in term. What does it? A year press conference right after the FA Cup final. Put things in place in the tour iron. I started air coso. I visited various clubs near the sponsors near the IABA on board. Inti me pedaway Gaka na to me yanka we omu wie ya na nka top 4 no so breaking crane na nka no so koso na yen say yes Gaka period ni what I say because Gaka for no say ya na some we na mudi Kenyan Gaka honhom no nti many age say o me put things like this in place
aban mo muskadi ayo ana
Oh, so much marketing team. Means a woman
Of course, Bolare was the head.
Fantastic. Me assure say, and no idea I bind in Hubejim.
Sure.
Men come on. Almost every day, minister needing come on.
Yeah.
Because there is a president involved.
That's true.
President Baba, President Trophy. A president at the year who he has a minister, you want to go away. I'm not doing a messy one. It do pass, or see every day needing come on. Men yes a very discipline I under sports ministry they be from money come on.
Yeah.
Men yes yes sir. But once there is president, or he it's president. What I say? Until the be so needing come on say. At the end of the you said the can say yes stadium no. Compare blaster game be do. And your president at the just has some neka.
Yabako ball.
You are open bubu. Sanction go for. It's president.
Charlie.
What I say? Into honey what I say, if you are team in the training and I come matter, and the bit magazine, you prepare what can blasters. But once there is president and charge him every day, yeah, into many home. So from the NSA, from the two teams, from GHALCA, Football Association, what I say, God, nana, Jamaican, Football Association calendar, so period way from the day I win FA Cup. In the next 1 month, then a mandatory rest period for every football club in this country. But the president's club was saying rest for what? Until media minute in Penify Adene, Koyama possible putting your money in place just to make sure say, Yama occasion like this na FA. Occasion like this will TV swap. Ghana phone you when Kabayan can say the FA Cup in the Koyano. Now can make sure say, Yama FA. I say a lot of TV sessions now Fana Yakono. Into media. May you happy about the way I got campaigning for any sports ministry. And will be adding a white team just to make sure that the president's cap no about bear cap.